In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix recycle bin missing on Windows 11. So if you go ahead and try to search for recycle bin on your PC and you type it in and you're not finding it in the search result, or you look on your desktop and you're not able to find a recycle bin, then I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So what you want to do is just simply right click on Windows icon on your taskbar and go into the settings of your computer. Now you want to click on personalization and go to themes. Here you'll find the desktop icon settings. You click on that, and so you'll find recycle bin right here. Just simple check this box right here and click on apply and click on OK. Now once you go back to your desktop, you should see the recycle bin there, and you can double click and you can open up recycle bin. And as you can see, let me show you from my next screen. It opens up there. This is it. And I have recycle bin. And if you have anything there that you want to restore, you can always click on it and you can restore that item by right click on this item, and here you can somehow restore it. Or another way to restore, you just simply take it out or just drag it wherever you want, your desktop or wherever you wish to, like this. And as you can see, it is restored. And that's it. If you want to empty it, same way, you just go ahead and click empty recycle bin. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.